Welcome to the MLA Reference List tutorial, Module 1, Books. Here's the basic MLA format for a book. The reference begins by listing the author's name in last name, first name format. The title of the book is listed next, and it is in italics. It is also in title case, meaning that you capitalize all of the principal words. If you are using a second or subsequent edition of a book, include the edition after the title. Notice how the word edition is given the abbreviation ED. This is then followed by just the city of publication, the publisher, and the year of publication. The citation concludes with the medium of publication. For example, a physical book would be listed as print, and an online book would be listed as web. Other possibilities may include film, CD-ROM, or DVD. Lastly, remember that punctuation is very important. Make sure you follow the format exactly and include periods, commas, and colons where necessary. In this book example, notice where each piece of the citation came from. The author and title of the book can be found on the front cover, and the city of publication, publisher, and publication date can typically be found within the first few inside pages. Again, indicate print if you're using a physical copy of the book, or web if you're using an online or ebook. While conducting your research, you may come across a work in an anthology, which is a collection of literary works, such as poems, short stories, plays, songs, or excerpts. The authors of these works are typically different than the editor of the book. Therefore, you need to follow MLA's specific format for citing a work in an anthology. This is the basic MLA format for a work in an anthology. This is also the format for a chapter in a book. The author of the work or book chapter is listed first in last name, first name format. Next comes the title of the essay, short story, poem, or chapter, and it is in quotations and title case. This is followed by the title of the book collection, and it is in italics and also title case. Next comes the editor or editors of the collection in first name, last name format, and the editor is preceded by the abbreviation ED, or EDS if there is more than one editor. This is then followed by the city of publication, publisher, and year of publication. And the citation concludes with the page numbers and medium of publication. In this example, notice where the citation information came from. The author, poem title, and page numbers can be found within the book. The title of the collection and editor can be found on the front cover, and the city of publication, publisher, and year of publication can be found within the first few inside pages. This is the end of the MLA Book Citations tutorial. For more information on book citations, please view the MLA Handbook for Writers of Research Papers, 7th edition, which is located behind the central reference desk on the main floor of Waldo Library. In addition, it can also be found in the Education Library and the Music and Dance Library. Additional useful resources consist of the WMU Citing Sources Guide, the Purdue Online Learning Lab, and the WMU Writing Center.